यहाँ में आ रही है कि 1 ml cost 10 rupees. I mean, oh my god. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking in this video, and in today's video I'm gonna share my favorite products from Nykaa Hot Pink sale which I bought from Nykaa. And yes, there are a lot of products, so without any further ado, let me just begin with the recommendations. Before I begin with the video, I want to mention this small part. These are the prices which are offered for Prime member. Now Prime member is someone who just shop really frequently from Nykaa, so I earned a membership and I got some extra discounts from the sale. You might see some differences in the sale because sale में price up down होता रहता है, and कभी भी किसी भी brand का flash sale, like you know BOGO sale चलता रहता है उनका. So you have to make sure if you want some great discount, you have to turn on the notification and keep checking Nykaa app. But without any further ado, let me share all the things that I bought from the sale. The very first product that I want to mention is this. This is the Bobbi Body Wise 5% Rosemary Hair Oil with onion oil, olive oil and castor oil and a lot of other blue blah blah blee blee. I literally wanted to like test this oil from a long time, since a long time, and finally I've got this. So it retails for rupees 300 and I paid something around 230 bucks for this, and I have high hopes. Literally I have high hopes. Pairing this up with another product, this is the Body Wise Hair Growth Serum Roll On kind of product. Again, this is something which is so expensive. This particular tube, ये tube है, and this retails for rupees 600. But because I got it on sale, I asked rupees 400 for a particular thing, and I'm having really high hopes for this. I'm just gonna start using this from today, and I'm gonna see what it does to my hair. In a month or so, I'm gonna definitely post a full-fledged review video for this as well as this particular hair oil. So stay tuned for that. Since I got a lot of discounts and offers, this is something which I got as a complimentary gift. So this is Be Body Wise AHA BHA Body Scrub. Again, this is like a 25-gram pack and this is a free sample. So you technically cannot buy this much of the product, but this is something which I got, so I have to show you guys. Next product is amazing. So I am a huge vanilla fragrance fan. I stocked up on my vanilla fragrance, so I used to use this plum thing, and I thought कि चलो कुछ नया vanilla fragrance start करते हैं use करना. So I got myself this Layer Water Girl Vanilla Twist Body Mist or Body Splash. This is a body splash, and this is a very sweet coconutty fragrance, and honestly मुझे ये अभी पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. Maybe I'll take some time to like this product, but this retails for rupees 240 and I paid something around 130 for this product, which was on a very hefty discount. I love to use contact lenses and I already have like multiple contact lenses, but still I thought let's stock up on another one. This lens is in grey color and this retails for rupees 245. I paid 107 rupees for this particular lens. Again, amazing deal. I am definitely gonna try out this really soon, but not today. From Swiss Beauty, this is their Luster eyeshadow palette. Different variants for this. So this retails for 230 rupees and I paid 160 rupees for this product. Next up is this eyelash glue from Swiss Beauty. This is in black shade. Honestly, I'm not a like eyelash kind of a person. I feel I get too lazy to apply eyelashes on my lash whenever I do eye makeup. So rupees 270 and I paid around 140 for this product. So this is again a steal deal. Guess what the next product can be? Yes, again another vanilla perfume, but this is special because this is Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla fragrance. This is a body mist. So this particular product retails for 2,699, like 2,700, and I just paid 851 rupees for this body mist. This is like more than like 60% off. I am in love with this body mist. Body lotion. So this is again their Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla body lotion. This retails for rupees 2500. यहाँ मैं पढ़ी हूँ ना, मुझे हंसी आ रही है कि 1 ml cost 10 rupees. I mean, oh my god, this is so expensive. But again, I didn't pay that much, but still I paid just rupees 849, and these two go so handy together. Anti-shine loose powder. Now this particular product retails for 245 rupees, so I just paid 170 rupees for this pack powder. इसमें ना सिर्फ 2 grams product है. Got myself this micellar water from Garnier. This retails for 249 rupees. I literally bought it for like 99 because on the sale I got this offer. Matte Mousse lipstick by Love Earth. I got this in shade browns as well as nudes. न्यूड वाला पैकेट कहीं और रख दिया है बिकॉज माई मॉम वॉज लुकिंग. लिटरली ऑर्डर्ड अ फ्लफी कंसीलर ब्रश बट sent me this instead. So this is like concealer brush भी नहीं बोल सकते. It's like a tapered kind of a brush and I don't know how I'm gonna apply concealer with this. It's like too small and honestly मेरे पास ऐसे brushes थे पहले भी. I don't know if I'm gonna return this or not. I bought another package but I think it's gonna take a long time to arrive at my place. So I'm gonna surely make another video or short. With this I'm gonna sign off for today's video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.